Hi everyone, this is validation checks, and now I have come with the 12 checks and they will be in parts. So the first one is the type check, that is used to check data type, whether it is number or a string, and its composition is that if you will apply the if check, and that will be focusing this way, that if not is number, then you are just checking the age whether it is character or not, then you will be printing the message. If it is not the correct data according to the number, so the message will be printed enter number value, and you will come to an end with and if. And its reverse impact is that if you are testing the name for not being the number input, so if is number and name field within the numbers function, then it will check whether the name field has got any number or not. So now if it is so, then it will print the error message that will enter string data, and then your check will come to end with an and if complement. Now check number 2 is character check. So it is used to check single letter input. That means whether if you want to focus on vowels, so it will be this will be the check which can be used to locate each character singly. So you will be just taking input in letter, and the letter will be checked by the input data item, that is there should be A, E, I or O or U. So in this case you can just continue with checking the data item in letter field. So if letter equals to A, then print vowel letter A and then and if. So your print message would be vowel letter A, and if it is not, then you will say that it is not a vowel. The else case will be saying that it is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So this way the single character check will be used or can be used. So moving on to the third check, that is known as presence check. So in the presence check, you can as the name implies, that to check the presence of data in the data store or data field. So if it is not present, then it will return the error message that the data is not found, or if it is found, then it will bring the data or fetch the data from the data store to display on screen. So now you will write the construct this way: if data store dot age, that means you are checking the age in the data store, equals to age, that means the input age was age in a age variable, and then you are just testing if data store dot age equals to age, then print data found, else print data not found, then end if. Then moving on to part 4, range check, that is to work within the given amount in your balance. That means the range should be according to the range available. So if you give you can see the message here, your balance is, let's suppose, 75,000 rupees or dollars, then range should be within this amount, and the drawing amount you are drawing is 70,000. Or if the drawing amount is greater than the 70,000, then the error will be reported. So now the application of the check is if construct is if balance greater than equals to amount, that means amount is being input to balance, and balance is tested against the amount, or the amount is or the balance is tested against the amount, and then you can see if the balance is greater than amount, then the amount withdrawn will be done, otherwise it won't. And the else case will print amount is greater than the balance, recheck, or you will not be allowed to dispense the cash, or the machine will not dispense the cash. So this way you can end if, and then this is the fourth part. And thanks for watching. Continue with the third video, so keep watching.